Hello crafty friends, it's Alicia of the Call Me Crafty Al YouTube channel, and it's the end of the month, which means it is time for Show Us Your SheetLoad. I hope you'll stick around and see the cards that my subscribers sent to me. Thank you so much for stopping by. If this is your first time to my channel, I hope by the end of this video that you'll be inspired to click on that subscribe button below and maybe even tap on that bell for notification. If you're already a subscriber and regular viewer, welcome back. I'm so glad that you're here. Before I get started with today's video, if you have not watched the video that I posted yesterday, the I'm Thankful For You video, you might want to go check it out. It kind of talks a little bit about the future of my channel with all of the COPPA changes coming up. If you've been around for a few months, you know that I have been doing a Show Us Your SheetLoad where at the end of the month, I share the cards that viewers have sent in to me. You'll see cards today that are using the latest sketch, the November 2019 sheetload of cards, and also some from previous issues or printables. If you want to go see how you can download the November sheetload of cards, I will link that video below, and then tomorrow I'm going to be back with the new issue for December 2019. Now don't forget that sending your card in to me is not the only way that you can show us your sheetload or share them. There is also a way to share on Instagram and YouTube. I will have the video linked below that explains how you can submit in all three of the different ways. And also below, I will link the playlist of subscriber cards from this month, and I will link to the Instagram search for the cards for this month. I hope once you're done here, you'll go check them out, leave them some love, give them a thumbs up, a heart, you know the drill. Here are the envelopes that I've accumulated this month in my P.O. box. I always love when I stop by there on Fridays to have something to bring home, so it was super exciting. Thank you so much to everyone who took the time to make a card and send it in to me. Are you ready to see what the subscribers made? I will start out with this one first. This is from my mom. She was actually here when I created the sketch, so she knew the dimensions. So I've had this for probably a month and a half. So I'm excited that I finally get to share it with you. So she sent two cards, one that's kind of the portrait layout like on the sketch, and then another one where she turned it and then there's just more opening between the two. Another lovely Christmas card. This one is from Sherry, and she used the November 2019 sheetload of cards. She said that she also posted it on Instagram, so if you're going to check out that link below, you might see her card on there. Creative Mom 08 used the sketch to create a birthday card. She said she made 10 sets of this sheetload. She loved it so much. I am so excited to hear that she's enjoying it, and so are many of you. This is gorgeous. I love the floral on this, and then if you can see, the flower up here is actually 2 layers. Very cute. Thank you. This beautiful card is from Pam. She gave me a pronunciation, so I'm going to try to get it right. Pam Tetro. Pam, you'll have to let me know how I did. I love that sentiment. That's very nice. Next up, I have an envelope full of cards. All of these cards are from Christina Mathy, that is her YouTube name, and she has done lots of different months cards. She wrote me a little note here and it says, "Thank you for the sheet load of cards. Here are samples of the 88 cards I donated to Caring Hearts Card Drive. Enjoy." Christina, that is so awesome to hear that you're using the sheet load to help with card donating. So this first one is from the August sheet load of cards. If you like some of the layouts you're seeing in these cards, I do have a playlist linked below. It says sheet load of cards video series, I think, and you should be able to find each of the month's videos where you can download the files. This next card uses the July sheet load of cards, and she has used a gold foil sticker for the sentiment. Great idea. This third card uses June. The sketch itself was oriented like this on the sheet load of cards, but that's a great thing with these. Turn them, rotate them for whatever will work best for you. Next up we have October, which was a fun fold card. This is probably one of my favorites. That is gorgeous. I like your sentiment on the inside there. And last but certainly not least, it is the November layout. The presents in the background are kind of, they have like a clear coating on them. It's very shiny, very neat. Thank you so much, Christina. And last but certainly not least, I have this shiny package. It looks like, again, there's going to be more than one card in here. These are all from Cool Cakes and Crafts with Amalia. Oh, very neat. This first one is using the latest sketch, November 2019. I love this gold half circle and then these pretty glittered enamel dots. Here's another one using November. It looks like she's used that same circle in the background, but this time it's the full one. And then her sentiment is gold embossed. Oh, fun. You can use the other half of this one. I love these. I love the papers in the background. And then she sent me an embossing folder. I'm not sure if you can tell from the screen, but it's like a couple pennant banners in the background. Thank you so much. This is one of my favorite items. I love to use embossing folders. Thank you for sending that. Wow, I got in so many beautiful cards this month, I can barely fit them all in the screen. If you enjoyed getting to see what the viewers submitted this month, I hope you'll leave this video a thumbs up. Let them know that you like their work. If you would like to send me a card using either the new sheet load I'm debuting tomorrow or any of the past sheet loads, I will link the Show Us Your Sheet Load video in the description box below, and you can check that out. I go just about every Friday to the post office box, and the last time I pick up is I try to do the last Friday of the month if that will work out with the video. Until my next video, which is the new sheet load of cards, I hope you're having a crafty day. Bye-bye.